witness on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for strobe lights for trucks, strobe lights for cars, strobe lights for hearses, strobe lights for anything. Keep us in mind if you happen to service the funeral industry. We do stock purple, which is a little difficult to see here, but those are purple lights in the grille of this Cadillac. We've got some purple lights around the back for this Cadillac as well. Those are our LIN-6. There, you can see I darkened up the camera a little bit so you can see that purple color coming through. In real life, it's a very brilliant, vibrant purple. Those are our LIN-6 on the front end of this 2002 Cadillac hearse. The other thing, as you can see, we've got a simple headlight flasher. That was existing into this vehicle. We didn't add that, but we did switch the LED headlight bulbs to our high beam 9005 LED bulbs in white. So that definitely made that headlight flasher more effective. You can see here again, I darkened up the camera just a touch to show you them purple. That's what the camera light just kind of washes out, but in real life, you can definitely see right there how the purple shows through. Around back here, we just kept it simple. We went right down by the license plate there with a pair of our LIN-6 in purple, mounted right next to the license plate, one on each side there. Again, keep us in mind for any of your funeral needs, strobe light needs. We did 4 purple LIN-6 on this vehicle and switched the headlights out that had a current headlight flasher. We just switched them to LED. So if you need some purple lighting, feel free to check out our website and take a look at our LIN-6. It is available in stock in purple and is definitely ready to ship. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.